everyone. Today we are going to see about Hubble Space Telescope, Galileo spacecraft and Very Large Telescope. Hubble Space Telescope. Orbiting 360 miles above the Earth, the Hubble Space Telescope bypasses the blurring effect of the atmosphere to give astronomers some of the clearest and deepest views of space ever witnessed. During 1995, Hubble sent back images that significantly improved our understanding of the universe. Scientists believe that there are about 10 billion galaxies in this universe. Details of the stunning photographs of the interstellar cloud and dust columns found in the Eagle Nebula have documented for the first time. These are believed to be solar systems in the making, which increase the chances of finding life elsewhere in this universe. Galileo's spacecraft. In December 1995, the Galileo spacecraft finally arrived at the planet Jupiter, more than 6 years after it had been launched by NASA. The layer of the spacecraft protects it from the double amount of heat from the sun, and it protects itself in any temperature radiations. And then it parachuted and landed at the planet Jupiter. Since 1995, the orbiter has been circling Jupiter and recording information about its weather and its planet-sized moons. Jupiters have 79 moons. Europa, Ganymede, Io, Callisto, Veritida, Amalthea, Carmi, Adraste, Himalaya, Pasiphae or other moons of Jupiter. The Very Large Telescope VLT. The world's largest telescope system, the Very Large Telescope VLT, is located at Cerro Paranormal in the Atacama Desert, Chile. It is used to study visible light and to collect and analyze infrared heat energy and ultraviolet radiation. Okay friends, this video is over. These are all the things I thought to share with you. I hope this is useful to you. If you like this video, click the like icon, share to your friends and subscribe to my channel. I'll meet you in next video. Bye.